long does EIA approval take? This is definitely a question that I will get every other time from my client. EIA huwa ina take time gani ndio nipate license? It depends. Tuseme average 28 working days. 28 working days. Hapo. Manage expectations. Now, this is different for every project. Why? Because different projects requires different levels of assessment. Tulisema EIA is like inspection. Kama nakuja kufanya inspection ya site yako. So, depending na project yako, inspection level, intensity ya inspection yenye nitakufanyia inakuwa different. So, for example, report ama the assessment that I need to do for a borehole is totally different from that of a hospital, right? Juu risk ya borehole ni kidogo, huwezi compare na risk yenye hosi inaweza cause kwa environment in case of anything, right? So there are different levels of assessment. We have projects that are categorized by NEMA. There is the EIA regulation that has provided a categorization, a grouping of projects. So unapata kuna projects zimekuwa classified as low risk projects. Kuna projects ziko under medium risk projects. Kuna zingine zinaitwa high risk projects. So hizi projects za low risk projects. The Kikuyu in me. The projects that are of the lowest level of risk will take a shorter time to get approved. Juu risk yake ni kidogo. So time yenye inatake kukua approved na kwa kidogo. Now on paper, it is said they should be licensed within 5 working days. On paper. Kwa ground vitu zinakuwa different. Okay? So on paper. Those projects that are medium risk yake inaweza post kwa environment iko medium, 28 working days on paper. High risk projects zinaweza cause risk kubwa, ziko high risk. Those ones will take anywhere from 90 working days. 90 ni 3 months. And working days, so utoe holidays na weekends and so on. So it doesn't happen like today and then tomorrow you have a report. No. And the reason is also because also your report nikipeleka kwa NEMA leo inaenda through a process. It goes through several stages before ifike approval. So it has to meet deadline. Hakuna vile unaweza peleka report leo kesho upate license unless it is a low risk project that takes 5 days. Lakini huwezi peleka project ya a 5-story building that is medium risk leo na unataka ni license yako kesho kutwa. It doesn't work that way. So if you have a project and you want to have these licenses, harakisha, call me. Saizi tuanze kuprepare before unataka license by Monday. No, it doesn't work that way. So yeah, that is how long licenses will take. So for the sake of this question, let us say on average it will take 28 working days. Ndio to manage expectations, ndio 28 working days.